As a ranger for the diehard, I get products to test from time to time. On this trip I tested the Renogy E.Lumen multifunctional flashlight. Upon opening the box I noticed the flashlight was much larger than I had anticipated. As such, I don't think it would be ideal for everyday carry. However, it does have quite a few really neat features and I think it would be a great addition to any bug-out bag. Of course, my curiosity got the better of me and I was dying to test the seatbelt cutter, because I'd rather know how it's going to work before my life depends on it. Luckily, I had the belt from an expired car seat and decided that would be the perfect test subject. I angled the belt over my chest where a shoulder strap would sit and it was hard to get it to cut all the way through. It took a few tries and a lot of strength, but it did make it through. I could imagine that while a knife may cut through it easier in a panic situation, I'd hate to end up accidentally stabbing myself using a knife instead of the safety-guided blade on this flashlight. To see the full video, check out the YouTube video here, https://youtube.b/xwqqgss7is. In addition to the belt cutter, the flashlight can be solar charged and has a USB out so you can charge other devices. If you plan to use the solar charger, the manual says it can take up to 30 hours for a full charge. Thankfully, there is also a USB charging option to cut that charging time into around 6 hours. Depending on use, you'll get anywhere from 3 to 7 hours of use from each charge. The light itself is very bright, but of course using the brightest setting will put you towards the lower end of the usable time at around 3 hours. The flashlight also boasts a compass on the bottom of the handle. We tested this a few times and it seemed to be completely inaccurate against 3 other compasses we had. I was able to true it up a bit by running a magnet along the needle a few times, but that seemed to be a temporary solution. My 2 cents is that I would not trust this compass as a first choice. The last thing I wanted to touch on was the magnet on the side of the flashlight. They state is for mounting and storage. When I tried to hang my flashlight on my metal fridge, it buckled under its own weight, slamming on the ground and breaking one of the plastic clips for the wrist strap. It will not support itself in ideal situations and definitely will not support its weight in a violent car accident. If you choose to put this in your car, it will need to be secured by some other means. So overall, would I buy it again? Yes. Click link in description for more reviews.